Hello, welcome again to today's video. In today's video, we shall be looking at determinants of a 2x2 matrix. Now, determinant of a matrix is the product of the leading diagonal, which is AB, minus the product of the non-leading diagonal. So, AD is the leading diagonal, while BC is the non-leading diagonal. So to find our determinants, we write it in this form. So it's equal to the product of the leading diagonal, which is A times D, minus the product of the what? Non-leading diagonal, which is CB. So this is how we find the determinant of a 2x2 matrix. Let's look at an example. For example, we are asked to evaluate the determinant of the matrix, which is matrix A. Step 1, I put the matrix. This is I will write as determinant is equal to 4 times 3, which is the leading diagonal, 4 times 3, minus the non-leading diagonal, which is 1 times 2. So 4 times 3 gives us 12, minus 1 times 2 gives us 2. So determinant of matrix A is equal to 10. So that is the determinant of matrix A. Now let's look at two more concepts of determinants. We have what we call a singular and non-singular matrix. A singular matrix is a matrix in which the determinant of the matrix is 0, while a non-singular matrix is a matrix in which the determinant of that matrix is not equal to 0. For example, if determinant of matrix A is equal to 0, it is called a singular matrix. Okay. And if the determinant of matrix A is not equal to 0, it is called a non-singular matrix. So in order for us to know if a matrix is singular or not singular, we have to find the determinant of that matrix. Let's look at an example. In this question, we are asked if A is a singular matrix, find K. So this is matrix A, and we're asked to find K. For matrix A to be a singular matrix, it means that it must be equal to 0. So I can say matrix A is equal to 0. That's the first thing. So what I do next, for me to find K, I have to find the determinant of matrix A and equate it to 0. So we have 3 times minus 2, which is the leading diagonal, minus the non-leading diagonal. So we have minus 2 times 3 minus the product of the non-leading diagonal, which is 4 times K, which is 4K, equal to 0. All right, minus 2 times 3 is minus 6, minus 4K, equal to 0. So for me to get k, I have to move negative 4k to my right. It becomes a positive, so we now have minus 6 equal to 4k. What next? To get k, we divide both sides by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4. So k, 4 cancel 4. So I'm left with k equal to 2 here is 2, 2 into 6 is 3. So we have negative 3 over 2, or k is equal to negative 1.5. So this is our final answer. In our next video, we shall be looking at determinants of a 3 by 3 matrix. So please watch out for that video. Thanks very much for watching. God bless you.